Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be covering the topic of site creation. Creating a site is the first step in building out your network. Each site represents a tower and you'll need to plot these out before you can create coverages. We'll start off on your dashboard. From there you're going to select Site, then click New Site in the top navigation bar. The location of the pin starting off is going to depend on the information you put in your company profile. Whatever address you put in there is where your map is going to be centered. Ideally, this should make things easier for you because you're already centered in your home area. You're not isolated to that area, it's simply a starting value to get things rolling, and you'll be moving the pin from the default location to the location of your tower. You can do this in several different ways. You can plug in an address in the search bar. This isn't a perfect option because it goes by geolocation, so you'll need to zoom in and move the pin, but it does work, you'll just need to remember to make those adjustments. If you have the lat-long coordinates, you can plug them in here. Remember that if the location is in the southern hemisphere, the latitude will be a negative value, and the longitude will be a negative value for the western hemisphere. You can also use the DMS style lat and long, but only one of them is required. Site name identifies your tower. Default height can be in meters or feet, and the system will convert to meters automatically. You have the option here to fill out a site profile. Whether you choose to or not is entirely up to you, it's not a required section. You can also choose your pin color depending on how you want to differentiate. When you're finished with all this, you can save your work by clicking on the Create New Site button. This covers creating a site individually, but you also have the option to do a bulk site upload. In this case, you'll be filling out a template and then uploading it once it's complete. You can find this template under the Import Sites from CSV link at the bottom of your site settings. This is the same location you'll upload your file. Click on Download Import Template, and you'll have everything you need to get started. As you move forward filling out this template, you'll need to follow the format carefully in order for this to work. The imported file must be in CSV format. Other formats will not merge correctly. No spaces before or after any values. Height must be in meters. There's no automatic conversion for when you're using a template. If you need help, there's a handy conversion calculator link on our wiki page for bulk site imports. You'll find it under the format requirements. As with individual site creation, description and group are optional. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. That is all I have for now, guys, but I will see you for the next one.